In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price close probability in TradingView Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to make sure you're actually using the pro tools you're paying for or planning to upgrade to. First, open up your TradingView chart just like you normally would. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to your saved layouts and your pro features. Once your chart is up, we're going to head straight to the Indicators menu. You'll usually find this at the top of the screen, labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click that. This is the main hub where you can search for built-in indicators, community scripts, and any tools you favorited. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where everything starts. Instead of scrolling through a long list and wasting time, we'll use the search box to jump directly to what we need. Click once inside the search area so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in that search box, start typing price close probability. As you type, TradingView will filter the list and show you any matching indicators. Make sure you're looking under the correct category, typically under the built-in or the pro-related tools, depending on how TradingView has it organized at the time you're watching this. Once you see price close probability appear in the list, simply click on it. The moment you select it, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should see it overlay or appear in a separate panel, depending on how the tool is designed. Take a second to let it load and confirm it's visible. If you don't see any immediate change, double check that you actually clicked on the indicator name and that it's not just highlighted in the list. Because this is a pro level feature, you'll want to make sure you're on a TradingView Pro plan to unlock everything properly. If you're not on Pro yet, or you want to upgrade, use my affiliate link in the description. It's an easy way to get started with Pro, while supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Once you're on Pro, you'll have smoother performance, more indicators on your chart at the same time, and full access to tools like price close probability. That's all you need to do to add price close probability inside TradingView Pro and start incorporating it into your analysis.